Hello! In front of me I've got CUBOT R19. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to security and location. Enter screen lock. And as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with none. Now swipe. Pin. Password. And at the end, pattern. Now we can set up face unlock. And scan your face like in the picture. Okay, my face is already scanned, so I can use it to unlock the phone. And the last way to unlock the phone is fingerprint unlock. And our touch sensor is right here on the back of the phone. Now let's scan the fingerprint. And let's use it to unlock the phone. And that's all for unlock settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.